Hey guys, it's Neela from Urban Asian and I'm here with the lovely Shilpa Rao. How are you feeling today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Is this your first time touring the States?
Yeah, this is my first tour.
So how has it been so far? You've been to a few cities already, right? Dallas and stuff. So how's it been so far?
We've done Dallas and Houston. It's been awesome. Crowds have been great, and the energy, the reciprocation, and it's been awesome to be interacting with them. Yeah.
So when did you start singing? So tell us about your past.
Well, I've been singing as long as I can remember, since I was a kid, and professionally, I've been singing for about 8 years now, and it's been awesome role in Bombay. I've worked with many musicians who I admire, who I like, whose music I've loved, and when it comes to every project, it's been a huge learning experience, learning from composers, writers, directors, and with every song I try to do something new. Plus, yeah, it's great to expand your horizons and keep doing something new with every song. So yeah.
Is there any moment in time where you thought that this is what I want to do, that I want to do music for the rest of my life?
I think it was clearly when I was 13 and I met Hariharan uncle, and the confidence that he showed in me as a musician, I think that's what changed everything for me, and I thought that this is what I want to do. That was my moment, yeah.
So what has been some of the struggle that you've been so far?
I think it was it was a little more tougher to meet people back in the day. Right now, everyone's quite online. You have people you can reach out on Twitter or Facebook, or you're gigging together or something like that. It's a very easy way to meet people. But back in the day, it was a little more difficult.
What are some advice that you would give to the new artists?
You should learn music definitely. And it's great to feel that you're a singer, but the point is you don't have training, and which it might feel with these songs you don't need training, but when you look at the bigger picture, larger picture in life, it's always best to learn music. And I think our Indian music is far more progressive than any other form of music, and I think I really feel that our Indian youth must be proud of it and must learn music. That's something I feel very strongly.
So how many years have you had training?
Forever, that's what I'm saying.
Oh. Even still today?
I'm still training, I still want to learn, I still want to be better. So, that never ends, I think.
So who is someone that you would love to learn from? Someone that you haven't had training with yet?
I've actually been trained by very eminent.
This is a hard question.
Eminent people. So I would definitely like to. I do vocal training also right now. I mean, it's not the style of singing. It's more technique of singing, and I would want to do more on that.
What about working with someone to create new music? Is there someone in Bollywood that you would love to, like, some dream collaboration that you want to work with?
Kushal Bharadwaj. Definitely, I would want to sing one song for him.
That's a good one. What about Hollywood?
Hollywood is an open forum right now. I mean, there's so many people that I admire, that I love, and I hope some days.
If you had to pick one or two.
Okay, it would be great to work with The Sting. I mean, I've been in love with his music forever. So yeah, Eddie Vedder is another singer-songwriter that I really admire. So yeah.
Would you ever go Hollywood? Would you ever go that route?
I mean, yeah. Collaborations are the best way to bond. Also, food.
Yeah.
So yeah, have a meal, do a collaboration. It's the best thing to do.
Speaking of food, you are very tiny. I don't think you eat food. So I want to know what your regime is. How do I become this size? I'd like to know.
People say you need to be on a diet to be, you have to follow a regime. The point is you should keep eating if you want to lose weight.
That doesn't work for me.
Trust me, if you eat right, if you eat at the right times, throughout the day, you will not put on weight. Your metabolism will always have something to work on. Trust me.
Do you work out too?
No. I've never seen a gym in my life.
So, what is your favorite song to perform? Do you have a favorite?
Well, it's amazing to perform Tose Naina, which is something which people associate with me. There's Khuda Jaane, there's Malang. Yes,
That's a big one. That was from Doom 3, right?
correct.
Can you sing a little Malang for us? Oh, I'm very bad. No, we're not gonna do that. We can't do that.
You can't do that, or you?
We're just not gonna do it. We're just not gonna. The microphone might break if I do that. We're just gonna let the professional do it, right?
Okay, here we go. Malang malang dum dum malang 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 dum dum malang 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 dum ishq ishq hai malang mera.